Imagine this. You're driving and your tire light comes on. The next town is 30, 50, even 100 miles away. You're out camping. You need some minor medical supplies. Or maybe even you get your vehicle stuck. What do? What is a peace of mind worth to you? Well, Everlit Survival may have an answer for you. What I have here is two things from them. I have their roadside Road Guardian. I would call this like an EDC vehicle kit for a peace of mind, and their Kinetic tow rope. I'm going to get into both of these, and maybe you'll find that it's right for you as well. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. That's right, I have a couple of kits here from Everlit Survival. Now, I did run into Everlit Survival at the Gear Summit, Gun Owners of America Gear Summit, there last week in outside of Amarillo, Texas at the Maris Adventure Park. There was some really cool overlanding, lots of good firearm stuff going on, some nice camping, and just great people all the way around. I happen to know the marketing guy from Everlit Survival, that he's worked with other companies that I've worked with in the past, and he said, go ahead, take these, take a look at them. And he never asked for a video, but I think that these sort of things are what I would consider to be relatively a low impact or low price impact. Things that are just a peace of mind that you probably should have in your vehicle, whether it's your soccer mom, grocery getter vehicle, or even your overland vehicle. So let's get into these things. All right, so first we are going to talk about the Road Guardian. This is sort of like an EDC vehicle kit in every aspect. I haven't taken the card off of it because I wanted to show you that this card has some really cool information on it, especially what's in the kit itself. I went through this kit at the Gear Summit, and I think it's a pretty decent kit for the money. So, comes in this nice bag. Very first thing on top here is a first aid kit. Now, I'm not going to list every piece of first aid that's in here. There's a lot of minor to medium type injury pieces in here. I will list them on the screen as I go through some of this stuff. But nice little compact first aid kit that, again, I'm going to use the word peace of mind quite a bit because I really do think that that's what these kits are really good for. Get you out of a jam, a little bit of peace of mind, and at, again, a fairly low cost. Set of 8-gauge jumper cables. I think these are 12 foot. I think these are 12 foot. I could be wrong. I will annotate it on the screen if I'm wrong. But a set of jumper cables. This is the, emergency rain poncho. Some bungees. These are, this is the reflective, reflective triangle cone for your safety in case you do have to pull off the side of the road and air up your tire. Speaking of airing up your tire, comes with a Everlit Survival air compressor tire inflator. I believe this is 12 volt. So this is 12 volt right off your vehicle. This is one of those things that I just think everybody, even if it's just something like this, everybody should probably have in their vehicle. Comes with some zip ties, a foil blanket or emergency thermal blanket, some electrical tape, a glass breaker with a seatbelt cutter. So this is a little inexpensive glass breaker hammer that was in this plastic bag. Set of gloves, a small flashlight. You're going to have to, make sure that this is ready to go, before you put it back in your bag permanently. And this is a little tow strap, let's get it out of here. So these are a couple of rescue straps. These are not going to be this is not going to be like the end all be all of all tow straps, but this will get you out of a pinch, especially with lighter weight vehicles. And that is all that is in here. Again, a nice peace of mind kit. Kind of comes with everything that in minor to medium situations that you may get yourself into that you may need. Here is their Kinetic. It's a 20-foot, 1-inch Kinetic tow rope or recovery rope. Again, comes in a nice bag. Inside this bag is another bag, a bag in a bag. It's bagception. a couple of high quality soft shackles with the protective sleeves, over them, and a nice high quality Kinetic rope. Nice high quality Kinetic rope. This is a 34. It says working load limit of 11,333 pounds, maximum breaking strength of 34,000 pounds. This is a nice heavy duty recovery rope. So this plus this equals a lot of peace of mind. So how much does a peace of mind cost? I know you're probably asking. So let's start with the minimum kit I really think that anybody with a vehicle should probably have in their trunk or in their truck, whatever. So the Road Guardian is right around 70 bucks. And that's the medical kit, the lightweight tow rope, the tow strap, jumper cables, tire compressor, or a tire inflator, the cones, the reflective cone, and a whole bunch of other small items that are useful in roadside emergencies. Now, if you have a bigger vehicle like mine, like a truck or something like that, maybe you do a little bit more camping, a little bit more off-roading, and you're more likely to get into really sticky situations. The Kinetic recovery rope with the soft shackles is another $100. So for 170 bucks, I don't think that's wasted money whatsoever. Now, it is fair to note that I don't get anything out of this by bringing this to you. I genuinely think that these are the sort of things that anybody who does any amount of traveling, or even the day-to-day, just to work and back type commuter should probably have in their vehicle, just in case. You can get both of these items on Amazon. I'm going to put links to those down in the description, and you can check them out for yourself. Check out Everlit Survival's website as well. They have a ton of medical kits on there, and those same kits are also available on Amazon. I appreciate you guys out there watching. Stay prepared in your vehicle, and we'll talk to you later.